Okay, so in this video, we are going to look at some of the reports you get when editing or when creating bills. The first report you get is the report on the bills. So on the report, fees and bill, and you can go to print bills. And we did termly bills, so select termly bills. The term was first term. And we want all students. If you want just one particular student, you put the ID of the student here. But I want to look at all students in that class. So you go to all students, and the class is BS1A, the academic year is 2024-2025. Then you go to print bills. Now, after printing bills, clicking on printing bill, the system will open the bills for you. You can maximize it or this. So I have maximized it like this, and you will see that if there are any arrears, it will appear here, and then it will sum up the amount for you and put the total here. So you can use the forward and back here to look at the next person, and you go just like that, and to be giving you the bills for all the students in that class. So there was an arrears for 100 for this, 100 for that, 100 for that. So it will just add the arrears to the current bill you have given to the person, and these bills can be printed or can be sent to the parent. And if you look at our video on SMS, you will look at how to send bills and everything to the phones of the parent. So that is the first thing that you can do, like the bills of the students. The next thing, the next report is you can look at your outstanding bills. If you click on outstanding bills, you get this portal and gives you click to view composite bills. So you can click and it will give you the bills for all the students on the page. So the bills here, the amount paid here, and the balance due for each person. So if you go to here, you get to the next class just like that. And so that is also another report on the same composite, the same outstanding bills. This composite bills adds all the item. If you want to look at the balance for just one particular item, you click on revenue item debt, then select the item, let's say tuition, and then you click to give you only revenues for the item for tuition, to give you the item for tuition. And then if you want for only, let's say, library fee, it will give you only library fee. So that is it. If you want one item, you use. If you want the composite, you can also download it to Excel by clicking here, and then it will generate that report to Excel. It will ask you to name it. So let's say I'm naming it outstanding, and then where to save it, I'll select desktop and I'll click on save, and say data written successfully to Excel file. So I go to my desktop, I'll find that, then open it for whatever I want to use it for. Then you can also get reports on student statement. So if I want to look at the statement of a student financially, I'll just search the student, and then I'll click on in between any two dates. I go to print, and to give me the statement on the chart. So the payment, the bill, these are the corrections, the additional bill, edited bill, the things that we did on it, and it will give you the statement of that chart. I can also look at the bills generated report. That's the bills that you did. If you want to see a proper report on the composite, I'll go to termly, term first term, and the class was BS1A, and then 2024-25. And then when I open it, first it will give me a summary of the whole school's bills. So the whole school, this is the amount that was generated for the whole school. And then it will also give me the tabular report on it. For example, so graduation fee, library, tuition, UC Maths. So it will tabulate it like that for me. So you see that we edited and added graduation fee to Novit, and that's why you see here 200. We deleted the graduation fee, then the tuition, and this, and to give me the total. So if you get that, you go to the next page, get that for all of them, and it will give you the totals for each item. So you also get this report for the class. And then the last one, it will give you the list. The first one was in a tabular form. This time it will give you the list form. So the graduation fee to list, library fee to list, and then the UC math it will list for you, just like that. And so that is how to get the reports on the bills that you have done. In our subsequent videos, we will look at how to edit bills after payment.